Question, naintindihan ba ninyo ang circulars ng mga lumabas? Ito po, last quarter ng 2024, ang daming circulars na lumabas. Meron kang adult pneumonia, meron kang stroke, meron kang MI, adjusted case rate, and many more. Now, ang importante hong tanong, naintindihan ba ninyo? If you notice the titles, meron hong guideline, implementing guideline, meron hong quality policy, meron pa hong standards, etc. Now, once you open the circular, may nakasulat policy statement. Anong pinagkaiba na to? Okay? Now, ang hindi ho ini-explain sa mga circulars na to at ang commonly neglected ng mga hospitals is that itong circulars na to, ito ho yung ang mga nakasulat ho dito, ito ho yung mga gustong makita ni PhilHealth sa claim forms. So ibig sabihin, hindi lang ho ninyo kailangan basahin, hindi lang ito dapat ninyo kailangan intindihin. What is critically important is PhilHealth gets to see, okay, some details on the claim form. So medyo specific yun, okay? Now, meron hong mga nakasulat doon sa MI na circular, meron hong mga nakasulat na napaka-critical doon ho sa adult pneumonia. Meron hong napaka-critical na mga bagay na nakasulat sa stroke. Ito ho ang nakakatawa at nakakatakot. Ulitin ko it's a little bit funny and a little bit scary. PhilHealth suddenly, okay, is asking for so many things on a very specific circular. Okay? Ito ho yung debridement. So of course, may mahabang kwento dyan. Okay? Now, if hindi ho kayo handa, okay, dito sa mga bagay na ito, okay, don't expect to be paid. Because it's not enough na maintindihan nyo lang or nabasa nyo lang. It is critical that at least some of the things written in the circular is reflected on your claim form. Okay? So, this is Coach Tokben. See you soon.